Hi guys, it's Keith. Into August, start of September now, and we're starting to prep the fields for next year's expansion. To do that, the first step is getting it covered with a big old tarp like you see behind me. Let me show you. The tarp I'm using is called bunker cover. It comes from Ag Plastics. 6 mil, black on one side, white on the other. The principle behind tarping is block out sunlight, increase humidity. I went through and mowed all this really short compared to the normal height over here. So I built up a lot of organic matter in this area. Now with that, it'll make the soil food web go off, the worms will come up, and hopefully this will all digest in about a week or so. After that, I'll pull the tarp back, and I'll go through until do my first amendment and cover it back up. If it's too dry in that time, I'll give it a good soaking before I cover it back up. That way, hopefully all the grass seed will pop. I'll just repeat the cycle. What I've been doing here to hold these down on the edges, so I'm taking a scoop of dirt from the side up underneath the tarp and then plopping it down on top of the tarp. Pretty simple. Let me show you how. So I'm just going underneath about every 4 or 5 foot. Pulling the shovel up, dropping it on top. Do this, work my way down, and I'll put some row bags out in the center to keep it from bellowing. And hopefully this will seal off the sides good enough so I won't have to worry about the bellowing. Now, one thing is with this tarp, it does have a split in it. 24 wide, was 100 foot long. I split it in two because my bed blocks are 24 by 48, so that gives me a little bit extra here and here, but when I'm trying to do a long run like this, I'm also going to have to lay some stuff across here to keep it weighted down. You can kind of see already where it's starting to bellow in the wind. But I'll get some bags on it, which should help with that. Another good use of this black plastic, or landscape fabric for that matter, is in between your crops. Get a 4 foot wide piece, put it down to kill off, say, a arugula stub or head stub or anything else that's grown in the time. In about a week or two, it'll hopefully dissolve. At least that's what I've been told. My attempts have not been very fruitful on that, so I'm still just using a shear and taking it down to ground level. Show you what it looks like when I'm done. So I'm out of row bags, so what I used is this big old giant piece of, I think it's like a 6'4" or a 4'4" piece of cable. Brought it down the center to keep it from bellowing where my seam is. I kind of zigzagged it on and then off of it and came back around and did the same thing over here. But if we do get some easterly winds, which is rare out here, it'll hopefully keep it down. Got the dirt all the way around it. Now it's time to sit and wait. Hopefully in 2 weeks I can pull it off and do my first turn. And then I can start stale seed bedding it. Hope what you all saw here today was useful to you. And if it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. Next year, I'll have at least 2 more plots. There are 10 beds. That puts me up to 40. High tunnel will be over the top of this plot back here. I'll gain another 2 there. So that puts me up to 25, 35, 6, 7. And then back over here where those trees are, those are going to come out. I'll get another 5 there. So that'll put me up to almost 42 40-foot beds. Should put me right about a 1/4 acre, and we should have it rolling next weekend, next season. Thank y'all. Have a good day.